In this video, we'll be taking a look at this plastic stapler I recently purchased on Amazon. This is one of several that are available. They all seem to be more or less the same, their only difference being how many pieces they include. This particular model seemed like the best deal, offering 800 pieces, some pliers, and even a piece of sandpaper. I'll be using it on this large crack in this ATV plastic. This particular model included 4 different types of staples for various applications. This is the staple I'll be using, as this crack is mostly along a flat surface. I'm going to start by securing both sides of the crack where it joins together the closest. The staples get placed from the bottom so that your top side is left presentable. You can see I already placed 2 staples in the center, again where both sides meet the closest. When you press the trigger, the staples start to heat up and melt the plastic. Even pressure is key so that one side doesn't go in deeper than the other. I'll try to fill these large gaps using strips of plastic I'll cut from this plastic bin. So not an exact science, but hopefully it's enough to support the filler we use on the top side. I'm just going to use some stuff I have on hand, starting with some plastic weld. I'm also going to go over it with some silicone caulk, again just something I have lying around. Well, that's good enough for this old ATV. The staples not only provide support to stabilize the crack, but to do whatever work might be needed. Let me know what you guys think of these things, and as always, thanks for watching.